Hello, in this video, we'll guide you through downloading and running the MetaTrader 5 platform. If you are ready, let's get started. Navigate to the Analysis and Tools section and click on MetaTrader 5. Next, slowly scroll down the screen to see the options. Here we have a Mac computer. Select the Macintosh version and download it. Once the file is downloaded, double-click it. Grant the necessary permissions. Click Install to proceed. After the installation is completed, the terminal will open automatically. The terminal should now appear on your screen by default. After installing and opening MetaTrader 5, we see the Login section with the account we opened. If you do not have an account, you can watch our video on how to open an account and get information. You will find a demo account open with a $10,000 balance, and the charts and products are already displayed. That's how you set up and run the MetaTrader 5 platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.